If you have no knowledge, then you should just shut up. Get yourself educated on what happened. If you have an opinion, I will respect that. My family had to run overnight with one suitcase in the middle of the night in a truck. Our house still stands. और एक रात आपको बोला जाता है आपके पास आप एक सूटकेस उठाओ उसमें जो आपको लगता है चाहिए और निकलो यहाँ से. And it's your motherland. How can someone tell you to leave? As a Kashmiri Pandit, do you feel India has forgotten their struggles and they never got the apology they deserved? What was your first raw reaction after watching the Kashmir Files? I feel like it was a well-made film. I feel बहुत difficult था वो film देखना actually because मैंने अपनी पूरी family के साथ देखी थी थिएटर में. And
कहाँ पे? मुंबई में?
मुंबई में
जी.
और to be honest, they were still a little bit more sensitive while showing the reality because I feel जितना मैंने अपने पेरेंट्स से सुना है, it was far worse than what's even shown in the film.
अच्छा.
I feel like it's very funny that people who have no knowledge about what happened are actually commenting on this. If you have no knowledge, then you should just shut up. I feel like half knowledge is very dangerous.
Very.
So get yourself educated on what happened. Then if you have an opinion, I will respect that. If you have no knowledge and you're spitting things, I feel like that just shows unawareness and it's not cool. I know that my family had to run overnight with one suitcase in the middle of the night in a truck to save their lives, and they left everything behind. They didn't know कि वो कब वापस जाएंगे. उनको लगा था कि ये जो प्रॉब्लम है 2-3 महीने में ठीक हो जाएगी और ये लोग घर वापस आ जाएंगे, इसलिए वो एक सूटकेस के साथ निकले थे.
जी.
वो एक दिन है और आज का दिन है, 30 साल हो गए और हम लोग कभी वापस नहीं गए. Our house still stands, but it's खंडर because 30 साल से कोई वहाँ एंटर नहीं किया है. In fact, last year was the first time जब मैं पहली बार कश्मीर गई थी और मैं अपने घर गई थी.
गया?
जी. In fact, I had recorded it all and I put it up on Instagram and stuff like that. और I feel like I can't even tell you how difficult this entire thing is because मैंने एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया बट मेरे पेरेंट्स ने एक्सपीरियंस किया और हमारे रिलेटिव्स ने एक्सपीरियंस किया द डिस्प्लेसमेंट एंड द स्केल एट विच द डिस्प्लेसमेंट हैपेंड कि कोई रेडी नहीं था उस डिस्प्लेसमेंट के लिए. इमेजिन आप सब सही चल रहा है और एक रात आपको बोला जाता है आपके पास आप एक सूटकेस उठाओ उसमें जो आपको लगता है चाहिए और निकलो यहाँ से. That's exactly what happened. They didn't have jobs, they didn't have money, they didn't have anything. They all just ran to Jammu and Delhi because they were the closest places. Everyone mostly went to Jammu because किसी ना किसी के रिश्तेदार जम्मू में थे. We also went to Jammu because मेरी मासी वहाँ रहती थी. हमें लगा था कि हम उनके साथ थोड़े दिन रहेंगे और फिर हम वापस आ जाएंगे. But कभी वापस ही नहीं गए. And my parents had to start from scratch. And they had 2 kids that they had to take care of. It's not easy. It's not easy for all those people who lived in militant, in those camps, who barely had food to eat. We at least had relatives who could take care of us.
बिल्कुल.
You know, we were still a little bit more privileged that way. But ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग थे जो उन कैंप्स में रह रहे थे जिनकी हालत बहुत बुरी थी. आपको पता है कि कितने लोग मरे हैं बिकॉज जम्मू का जो टेम्परेचर है और जो कश्मीर का टेम्परेचर है उसमें बहुत जमीन आसमान का फर्क है. कश्मीरी लोग आर नॉट यूज्ड टू द हीट of Jammu. So many people died because of heat strokes. Lakhs of people died.
Should not be the reason to go.
It should not be. It should never be for anybody. And our parents were also not that young when they left, right? Like I can only imagine how difficult. Imagine आप palatial घर में रह रहे थे and suddenly someone throws you out of the house and you're now living in one little quarter. एक रूम में रह रहे हो जहाँ पे आपका किचन भी है, बाथरूम भी, सब कुछ है और आपके 2 बच्चे भी हैं.
लाइफ गोल होता है घर खुद का बनाना.
इमेजिन एक पूरा घर बनाया और आप एंड द मोमेंट यू आर एबल टू एंजॉय दैट हाउस यू आर आस्क्ड टू जस्ट लीव एंड इट्स योर मदरलैंड. हाउ कैन समवन टेल यू टू लीव? सो आई फील लाइक nobody will really understand the pain of being displaced, and I feel like people who don't know should not really comment on it.
Yeah.